Hey guys, what's going on? So in today's video, we're going to 3D print a pirate sword. Alright, so we come over to Thingiverse, click on the collapsing pirate sword, print in place. Let's go ahead and download it. We'll go ahead and export it, slice it, and save it. Alright, we got the file right here. Let's go ahead and open it up. There's also an extended edition, so make a longer one. Now remember, these are only prop swords. You're not going to be able to hit them together, hit them on stuff. They're very brittle. They will break. Now you can make them out of a higher composite instead of PLA, and they have a little bit more strength, or you can play around with the settings. But in the settings that the file comes with, they're not going to be a very strong item. So let's go ahead and slice it. We're doing 0.12 for the profile. We're going to do 10% infill, no support, no adhesion. I find that these collapsing in place print a lot better with the Vox Lab without supports and adhesion, because the adhesion actually makes it where you cannot get it to open up. It will make a layer of plastic around the different profiles of the where it tapers down, and it's just a nightmare. So don't use adhesion and don't use supports. So this print's probably gonna take a day and like 4 hours. All right, guys. Well, it's been a full 29 hours. We've got an hour left, and here's the results. A little dark. We used the gold PLA. Looks like we did have a little bit of a shift right about here. Doesn't look like we had any shifts before then, so it could have just been that this gold that I bought, it does want to hang up, and that could have been the issue there. Or it could have been that the fan got turned on. It could be a number of things, but regardless, it looks like it's printing just fine. Other than that, we'll come back as soon as it's done. And just like that, we have one pirate sword. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. And in the description, I'll have the link to this along with the link to the 3D printers and the filament.